Hello guys, welcome to davhenzy Tech. Today I'll be showing you a quick one. This is free Netflix. Yes, it's better than Netflix. You have latest movie and it is completely free. From It has a beautiful UI. You can stream online, you can download if you want. You can see this movie. This is the latest movie in 2026, which is Greenland. You can click on it. When you click on it, you can play the movie directly. So I'm going to leave it mute. So you can play the movie online like this. You can do picture to picture mode. You can see. You can open it on your tablet. You can open it on full screen. Change the format you want. If the quality is not bright enough, let me shift it forward. Let's say this quality is not enough for you. You can do 1080p. So this is crazy for free. You're not paying a dime. See, look at the quality of the picture. It's very sharp. So you can download and share this with your friends. So if you click on download, you can come here, click on this button. It's going to load. So you select the version you want. Is it 2160 or 1080p? So you can do, I can do this version, and you can see it's downloading. It's downloading. You can see it's counting, which is quite because of the quality. You can do movies. You can do TV shows. Yes, you can watch your Naruto, anime, and all that here. And you can see the UI is very, very clean. You can watch your anime. You can see different kind of series. If you love anime, this is where to go. This is where you watch all this stuff. You can even stream live sports. Yes, you can stream. These are the match today that are currently playing now. So you can watch live match from this platform. That's how crazy it is. So you have to have an account with these people here before you can actually stream directly from their platform. They want me to watch adverts. Let me refresh again. Actually, I have an app that is blocking it from playing. So if you have that's blocking the ads for playing. If you watch the adverts, after that you see the match, the football match they are playing for that day. You can check for today. These are possible match they are going to play today, and you can stream them on this platform. All these match you can stream them on this platform. If you're a football fan, this is where you come to watch your match. Your watch history or watch list will be here. If you click any movie, put it on watch list, it will be there. You can search for a movie as well. Let me look for Avatar. So I've not really seen the latest Avatar that was released, which is this 2025. So you can see, you can search for a movie. It's sweet, it is slick, it is fast. This is the ball. You can see I'm actually streaming on a low quality. I can increase the quality to stream 1080p and download if you want. So that is how it works. Automatically downloads for you. You can see I'm actually downloading 3 movies now to my system. So if you want me to make more videos related to this, free Netflix, this is far better than Netflix. I don't know what you call this, but this is far better than Netflix for me, because with Netflix you can't have some of these movies on Netflix. Shelter that just came out, so you can actually see this movie. Shelter just came out. It's a nice movie. Some of the movie are cams though, but you get the best out of it. So this is it. If you've not subscribed, please like, share, and comment. And if you need a link to the video, to this website where you stream all this movie, if you need a link, comment link on the description below. On the comment section, I'm going to send you the link. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.